Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Return Pallets is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective solutions for businesses looking to optimize their logistics and storage needs, offering a sustainable and economical alternative to new materials. These pallets, having completed their initial shipping journey, are often inspected, repaired if necessary, and resold, providing a fantastic opportunity to acquire sturdy and functional equipment at a fraction of the cost of brand new options, making them an attractive choice for a wide range of industries from warehousing and distribution to retail and manufacturing. Number 5. Sonic Electric Toothbrush Set. Introducing our Sonic Electric Toothbrush Set, designed for a superior clean. With advanced technology, it delivers an exceptional brushing experience. It features 42,000 high-frequency vibrations per minute for powerful yet precise cleaning. Achieve a dentist clean feel every day. Choose from 5 distinct brushing modes to suit your needs. Whether you prefer whitening, sensitive, or deep clean, it has you covered. The built-in 2-minute timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended time. It guides you to brush each quadrant of your mouth evenly. This toothbrush is IPX8 waterproof, making it safe to use in the shower. It also comes with 10 brush heads and a travel case for convenience on the go. Available in sleek black and white, it makes the perfect gift for anyone. Give the gift of a healthier smile. What we like. This electric toothbrush offers exceptional value with multiple brush heads and robust waterproofing. If you're looking for a long-term oral hygiene solution that's both durable and versatile, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families or individuals who want a reliable and feature-rich toothbrush. What people say. The pallets are sturdy and well-constructed, suitable for heavy loads. Received a good variety of pallet sizes, which was very convenient for different storage needs. The condition of the pallets was better than expected, with minimal damage and ready for immediate use. Number 4. Crossbody Sling Bag. Introducing our versatile Crossbody Sling Bag, designed for both men and women. It's the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Stay connected on the go with the built-in earphone port. Easily listen to your music or take calls without reaching into your bag. Experience ultimate comfort with its lightweight design. You'll barely notice you're wearing it, even on long journeys. Whether you're hiking trails or exploring new cities, this chest bag is your ideal travel partner. It keeps your essentials secure and accessible. This stylish shoulder chest bag offers a modern look and practical functionality. It's designed to be worn comfortably across your body. What we like. This bag is designed for ultimate convenience and portability. If you need a compact and secure way to carry your essentials while keeping your hands free, this is the ideal companion. It's perfect for active individuals, travelers, or anyone who appreciates easy access to their belongings. What people say. The pallets are sturdy and well-constructed, suitable for heavy loads. Received a good variety of pallet types, including some hard-to-find sizes. Pallets were clean and in good condition, with minimal damage. Number 3. ToHeart Silver Gold-Plated Hoop Earrings. Introducing our exquisite hoop earrings, designed to add a touch of sweetness to your style. These earrings feature a charming love heart design, perfect for expressing affection. Crafted with a beautiful blend of silver and gold plating, these earrings offer a luxurious look. The delicate heart shape makes them a truly special accessory. These hoops are designed for women who appreciate subtle elegance and meaningful details. They are versatile enough for everyday wear or special occasions. Experience the fine craftsmanship that goes into each pair. The gold plating ensures a lasting shine and comfortable wear. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These heart earrings are a wonderful choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show someone you care. What we like. These earrings add a touch of sweet elegance to any outfit. If you're searching for a charming and stylish accessory that expresses affection, these are a wonderful option. They are perfect for gifting or for adding a romantic flair to your personal style. What people say. The pallets are sturdy and well-constructed, suitable for heavy loads. Received a good variety of pallet types, including some hard-to-find sizes. Pallets were clean and in excellent condition, with minimal damage. Number 2. 1080p HD Wi-Fi FPV Drone for Adults. Experience breathtaking aerial photography and videography with our high-definition 1080p camera. It captures every detail in stunning clarity, bringing your memories to life from a new perspective. Designed for effortless flight, it features altitude hold mode for stable hovering and headless mode, eliminating the need for complex orientation adjustments. Just pick it up and fly. Unleash your creativity with intelligent flight modes. Draw your desired flight path on the screen, and watch as it autonomously follows your commands, making every flight an adventure. Connect seamlessly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to view real-time footage directly on your device. Share your incredible aerial shots and videos with friends and family in an instant. Its foldable arms and compact size make it incredibly easy to carry wherever you go. Enjoy the freedom of flight anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of bulky equipment. With 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology and 4 channels, you have precise control over its movements. Built with durable, lightweight engineering plastics, it's designed for both performance and longevity. What we like. This drone offers impressive aerial photography capabilities in a portable package. If you're interested in capturing stunning photos and videos from unique perspectives without a hefty price tag, this is the drone for you. It's ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking for an easy-to-use drone with advanced features like trajectory flight. What people say. The pallets are sturdy and well-constructed, suitable for heavy-duty use. Variety of sizes available, making it easy to find the perfect fit for different storage needs. Pallets arrived in good condition, with minimal damage and ready for immediate use. Number 1. Air Bra Women's Breathable Cool Liftup Sports Bra. Experience ultimate comfort with our breathable sports bra. Designed to keep you cool and dry, it's perfect for any activity. Get the lift and support you need without sacrificing comfort. This bra provides a natural shape and excellent hold. Enjoy a smooth, seamless feel with our wireless design. No more chafing or discomfort, just pure freedom of movement. The racerback style offers enhanced flexibility and prevents straps from slipping. Move with confidence and ease. Crafted with comfortable mesh, this bra ensures maximum airflow. Stay fresh and comfortable all day long. This is more than just a sports bra, it's your go-to for everyday comfort and support. Feel great, no matter what you're doing. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort and support during your workouts with this sports bra. If you prioritize a breathable, wire-free design that offers a lift and stays in place, this bra is an excellent choice. It's perfect for a variety of activities, from yoga to high-intensity training, ensuring you feel cool and confident. What people say. The pallets are sturdy and well-constructed, suitable for heavy loads. Received a good variety of pallet types, including some hard-to-find sizes. Pallets were clean and in excellent condition, with minimal damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.